The One Water Regional Art Contest is a contest from the Metropolitan Washington Council of Governments, joined by local water and wastewater utilities, focused on the importance of source water protection. We are looking for local student artists, grades 9 through 12, to create visual media focused on source water protection.
In order to preserve water quality for future generations, we need to understand where water comes from, how it's used, where it goes after leaving homes and businesses, and how it can become source water again. We feel like art is a unique and exciting way to be able to understand this source water protection.
The deadline for the contest is April 8th. We have 2 submission categories for this contest. One is drawing and painting, and the second is photography and digital media. We think this is a great way to not only allow students to learn about source water protection, but to reach out to the community on this topic as well.